This is the Plant&Plot metal raised garden bed. I'm going to be assembling this today and giving you my honest opinion on it. Let's get started. So this seems really sturdy. I'm trying to like bend it here, and it's got a little bit of give, but it's really nice galvanized metal. Comes with, I'm not sure, these stakes. Even comes with plant labels. It's really cute. And under here is... So I got everything laid out, and it is time to get started on assembling this. To begin, I attached two of the rounded panels by inserting the latches into the holes that were on the sides of the other panel. Then I secured the panels with the provided screws and nuts, and then I added the third rounded panel to those two. Then I continued by attaching the straight panels to these, and I finished out the raised bed. To add some reinforcement, I used the provided metal rods and installed these in the middle. This will be used for installing the tension bar in the middle. To finish up, I used the rubber trimming and installed that on the top. This will help prevent any cuts from the metal edges. Then I prepped the ground where I'll be installing this, and I placed my new garden bed, and then I staked it down with the provided stakes. Then I added some cardboard to help prevent any weeds from growing through. And then I just began adding some dirt to the bottom of the bed. And then as I worked my way up, I added some of my compost dirt. And I couldn't help myself, and I began planting some lettuce and some kale, and I cannot wait for them to start growing. Here it is. I absolutely love how it looks. It is super sleek and modern, and it is a great addition to my garden. So I'm really pleased with this raised bed. It is super cute. It was really easy to assemble. It took me about 30 minutes total from opening the box to being completely finished with it. This is gonna be really great for when I move. I'm gonna be able to disassemble this and move it with me. Whereas if it was wood or a different kind of raised bed, this would be a lot harder to move. Overall, it is a really nice quality, and I'm really happy with this raised bed. So if you are looking for one, I will leave the Amazon link down below in the description box. Thank you for watching this video, and happy gardening.